What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the brake light bulb. We're going to be replacing it with an LED bulb. If your bulb went out, you can replace it with a stock one too. Clearly it's just changing a bulb, but we're going to be changing it to an LED and I'll be showing you guys the difference. So I have the two TWs right here, my 21 and my dad's 20. He went ahead and already changed his bulb to an LED, and this is a stock. I'm going to be setting up the tripod just to show you guys before and after. Then I'll be showing you guys the process changing out that bulb. So there we have it, guys. So this one's a little bit more brighter. This one's a little bit more redder. The license plate sticks out more. That one's more of a darker yellow. I'm going to go ahead and step on the brake for you guys just to see the difference. Our main goal of switching everything to LED is just to be more visible. The more noticeable you are, the safer you are. That is priority. So let's go ahead and change that. Down in the description, I'm going to put the bulbs that you need to do this brake light replacement. You're going to need one 1157 bulb. On Amazon, I found a pack of 10 for around $10. I'm going to leave that link in the description. So you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Just remove these screws right here. Place that right up here. Remove the other one. And be sure not to drop this. Our stock halogen bulb, what we're gonna do is push in, twist to the left. And here's the replacement 1157 LED bulb. There's two little bumps. One's, well, if you're looking at it this way, once it's lower, once it's higher. If your bike's set the same way as mine, the lower one, the lower pin's gonna be up here. The higher one's gonna be down here. So you're gonna line them up, gently push and twist. And there you go. We should be able to turn it on, and there's our bulb. Go ahead and squeeze your brake a couple times. Check it out. If it becomes brighter, you have it set up right. Now we're gonna go ahead and just reassemble our brake light cover. There we go. Super nice and bright. License plate lights up real nice, and we're gonna be super visible on the road. That is the most important thing. Super simple video. Just thought I'd get a video out there. I know there's multiple videos. I know this is just another how to change a light bulb video, but I don't know, I enjoy making these videos, so hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Links down in the description to the 1157 light bulbs that I used in this video. As always, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hit the notification button so you guys know when there's another video out. Hit the subscribe button if you guys enjoy the content like this. Until next time, guys, peace out. I can't be the